2013 to 2016 Mazda Cx-5. I'm going to show you how to replace the center console lid. This one's busted and just opens all the time. This person put magnets on the top and bottom, which is kind of funny. It did hold a little bit, but it kept popping up. I'm going to take these magnets off, but I'm going to show you how to replace this lid and get a new one on here, guys. So first you got to get yourself a new lid. This one is for a 2016. This is the part number. But on Amazon they sell like ones that fit 2013 to 2016. I'll link them all below. There's actually quite a bit of choices. Also, I'm going to get a plastic pry bar tool kit right here, and first thing we're going to do is take off this back panel. This is where this guy comes in use, and just kind of get this in between the panel here, and then just kind of work your way, use two hands and get this panel off, pull it back, and it's going to be pretty tight. And then there's going to be two screws right here, and then there's two screws up front as well. But to get these ones off, let's move the seats forward. So this is the driver's seat. I'm going to move it forward, and then the passenger seat has like your little lever that you pull. And then I'm going to get these screws out. There's one right here, one right here. These are Phillips head screws. Okay, got those out. Now if you open this, there's two screws right here as well. These got to come out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one out. Alright, got that. Don't lose them. And then I'm going to get this one. Now, once you get these out, you kind of got to wiggle the lid and kind of pull it outwards or backwards. And it should come off. And yeah, so once we get that off, we'll put our new one on. So when you put your new one on, you got to line up these little tabs in the front on the inside right here. And then once those are in, then you can kind of get the the screw holes lined up in the back. Just kind of, massage it, move it around gently, just kind of get it in place. And then once you do, you'll put your screw hole in. Now, if you can't get your screws to line up, then something's not right. So just try to get it, maybe the front's not lined up correctly. So then we'll get these screws in right here. Alright, and then these just got to be snug. You don't got to go crazy tight because you'll strip them out. And then now it opens and shuts no problem. And that's how you get the lid on. Now we got to go put the back panel back on. These are the top parts. You just kind of line all these little plastic tabs up, and then just kind of gently push this in place. I give it kind of like a little hammer fist all around to snap it in place all around. And that's it, guys. That's how you do your lid. Check down below for links, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GuillermoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.